In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Shopify tax report. This simple yet vital process is absolutely essential for managing your business finances and ensuring everything runs smoothly when it's time to report sales taxes. Let's jump right in and walk through this step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and navigate to Shopify's website. In the address bar, just type in Shopify and hit enter. You'll land on the Shopify homepage where you can log into your account. If you have your login details ready, enter them and access your store's dashboard. This is where you'll find the central hub of all your store activities and reports. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen. There's a sidebar with several tabs. The one we're interested in is labeled Analytics. Click on that and then find Reports from the drop-down menu. This section provides a comprehensive overview of various reports that Shopify offers, which are key to understanding and managing your store's performance. Now, to locate the specific tax report you need, you'll use the category filter. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. You want to select Sales. This filters the reports, so you only see those related to your sales activities. It's a simple, intuitive way to get right to the data that's most relevant for tax reporting. After you've selected Sales, you'll see a couple of options that you can choose from. Depending on your preference or business needs, choose either the Sales by Billing Location report or the Sales by Shipping Location report. Both reports give detailed insights into your sales across different locations, which can be incredibly helpful for understanding your tax obligations based on where your sales transactions occur. Now, with your desired report open, you'll want to set the correct time period for your needs. Look for the Date Range filter, which allows you to customize the time frame of your report. This might include the last month, last quarter, or even a custom date range that suits your specific requirements. Adjust this to match the time period you need for tax filing or review, making sure the data aligns with your financial records. Finally, after ensuring everything is set up correctly, look for the Export button, often found at the top right of your report page. Clicking this will give you options to download your report as a CSV file, a format that's universally compatible with most data processing programs like Excel. Save the file to your computer, and you're good to go. This report can now be analyzed, shared with your accounting team, or used for tax filing purposes. And there you have it, a straightforward process to download your Shopify tax report efficiently. Mastering this process ensures that you'll always have the data you need right at your fingertips, making tax time just a little bit less stressful. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.